Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way, which requires a secret code, and after that I'll show you how to check the serial number using the settings. So let's open the dialer, enter the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device, so the option we're looking for. And now let me show you another way. So let's open the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. And now all we have to do is tap on this model toggle button, whatever. Just tap on it and here we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.